Numpy array. Shapes and axes. Part B. In this video, let's learn about array, shapes and axes. We'll be creating a Numpy array, that's a 1D array, and convert it into 2D and 3D arrays. We'll also be reshaping into unknown dimensions and flattening it. Let's first import the libraries and then create a one-dimensional Numpy array. This is the Numpy array. It's one-dimensional in nature. Let's convert this into a 2D array. This can be done using the .reshape method. We have seen that 1D array can be converted into a 2D array using the .reshape method, and the parameters passed are the shape of 2D array. Now let's look at an example where we convert one-dimensional arrays into three-dimensional arrays. Now let's use the .reshape method. We can see that this is a 3D array of the shape 2, 2, 3. We can also modify this into the shape that we want. We can see that the shape of this array is different from the shape of the first one. Remember that the length of the 1D array must be equal to the product of the 3D array. If we were to modify this, it's 3 into 2 into 2, that's 12. But if you modify this, it would raise an error because the product is not equal to the size 12. Now, in cases where we are dealing with large pandas data frames and we have to use Numpy, the dimensions are dynamic in nature. So we can reshape the function into an unknown dimension in the following way. For example, we know that the shape of the Numpy array must be 2, 2, something that is a 3D array. We can specify a reshape function. What this does is, it automatically calculates the last dimension into 3. So this is very useful when we are using dynamic datasets. We can also flatten the array by using the reshape of -1. Now, before we do that, let's save the variable. So our Numpy array would look like this. Now let's flatten it. So you can see that the Numpy array, that's the 3D array, has been flattened.